Am I Norvina yet? Is your girl Norvina or no? Is she Norvina or no? Oh my god. It's backwards. Ah. I am the worst YouTube guru wannabe person ever. Hey guys, this is Gloria here, and today I am going to be playing around with the new Anastasia Norvina Palette. So today I did my eyeshadow look only using this palette. If you want to see how I got this look, then continue to watch, and at the end I will tell you how I like it. Thank you so much. But before I go, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel and to this video. You're already here. Takes 2 seconds. It's right there. It's right there. Why not? I'm a cool girl. You're a cool person. Let's be cool together. Hit that subscribe button down there and then hit the bell notification so you know when I upload a video. So thank you so much. I hope you enjoy my video, and I will talk to you later. Bye. Alright, as always, I have my brows done and my eyes are set. I carved them out. I set them with my LA Girl Pro Concealer like I do in every other video. So let's hop right into the palette. Today we are going to be using the Norvina. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh, I'm so excited about this. So if you don't know who Norvina is the daughter of Anastasia, and she is beautiful. And she came out with her own palette. It looks like this. So they're definitely more cool toned and jewel toned shades in here, and this is actually not a palette I normally gravitate towards, so this should be very interesting. I have not touched it. It still has a plastic on it. I just took the plastic piece off. So this is my first time playing with it. So let's see if we can create something fun. It does come with, what is that? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 eyeshadow shades. And then also a dual ended brush. So I'm actually gonna use this, or at least try to use this as well. I really do love the Anastasia brushes. I'm about to drop it. It has like a fluffy kind of crease brush on one end and then a flat packer brush on the other. So these are actually really good quality brushes. So first things first, I am going to go into the color Eccentric, which is right here, which is this I would say camel brown color right here, and I'm gonna put that as a transition on my lid. So I put that color in my crease. I do want to show the palette. Anastasia's shadows do have kickback. I don't think I've ever used a matte eyeshadow from them and you didn't get some kick out. That does not bother me as long as it's not in excess. So I want to show you that there is a little bit of kickback, but nothing too crazy. I actually, what I do, so I'm not wasting product, is when I dip my brush in there and I see that get kickback, instead of keep just re-dipping your brush in and creating more kickback, I literally kind of pick up the kickback and then use that, so I'm kind of losing less product in the end. I just think that works for me. It might not be doing anything, but in my head, I'm saving eyeshadow. So that's that camel color in my crease. So now I feel like everyone goes into these purple shades, and I will do that another day. So just blowing away some of that kickback. I am going to take my Luxie 249 dual-ended brush. I love this brush. I love this little side. It's a really tiny crease brush. I can get right into these little crevices, so I really like that. I'm going to pick up the color Passion right here, and I'm going to also throw that in my crease. Oh, ooh, that was powdery. Alright, now that I've done that, I'm going to show you the palette. Passion does have a little bit more kick up than Eccentric. Please, when you pick up that color, tap it off. I did not do that, and I got like hit in the face with powder. That was my fault. I should have tapped it off. I didn't think it was going to be that powdery, so that was my bad. I'm going to pick up just a little bit more Eccentric and kind of just blend out this top part to make it a little bit more diffused, and then we'll move on to the next color. Alright, now I'm going to pick up this color Rose Gold because it's beautiful. I'm going to pick it up with this little tiny flat shader brush of mine that I use in like every video. And I'm going to pick that up and I'm going to put that on my lid. Alright, so that's what Rose Gold look like without any foiling. I want to show you what it looks like in the pan. It's like, it's very soft, like it kind of mushes around. I wonder if I'm going to pick it up with my finger and see if I can get that to look even more metallic. So let's see. Alright, now I'm going to clean that little flat shader brush off, and I'm going to pick some more Passion up and kind of diffuse that in to make it a little less harsh. And I'm going to pick up that blending brush that I use and just diffuse this line. Next, on the opposite side of that Luxie brush, I'm going to pick up the color Base, and I'm going to use that to highlight underneath my brow bone. Ooh, 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 that's way, dang, that's pigmented, what the heck? Alright, so this is my look so far. I am going to finish the rest of my makeup. I'm going to put my wing liner on and mascara, and then I will come back to finish out the bottom lash line, and then I will give my thoughts on Norvina. So I'll be back. Alright, so I'm back with the rest of my makeup done. I actually just smudged out the bottom of my lash line off camera. I did it without thinking about it, but all I did, super simple, is I took Passion and I just blend that out on my lower lash line. So, my thoughts on the Norvina palette. I really like this palette. And the reason why I really like it is because it has, of course, a lot of cool tone and jewel tone color, but I like that they threw in a couple of warm tones for someone like me who prefers warm tones. So I'm really happy about that. They're super pigmented. They blend amazingly. There is kickback. That's just Anastasia shadows. They're going to kick back. You can either get upset over it, you can whine about it, you can complain about it, or you could get over it. I am someone who it isn't a make or break for me, but if it is a make or break for you, that might deter you from getting this palette. But they have had palettes in the past that have had worse kickback. There's really not that much. The glitters are really soft. They're pressed really soft, so they feel kind of like putty, kind of like ColourPop eyeshadows. They are very soft, so you have to be very careful. I say if you're gonna pick them up very gently, because if you mush your finger in it or your brush, you're gonna dent right to the bottom of the pan. So light pressure with the shimmers. Blending them out with your fingers, let me say this, placing them with your fingers and then blending them out works better in my opinion for these glitter shadows. I tried to pick it up with a brush, and I mean, I got pigment and it was shiny, but it looked better once I did it with my finger. Is this palette worth $42? Yes, because I don't have other colors in my collection like this periwinkle right here, or that's a very unique color. I'm definitely want to play with that. So, and like this camel color that I used in my crease as my transition is beautiful, and I don't think I actually have a brown in that shade range, that camel kind of color. It's a beautiful palette. Norvina definitely did a great job. It is worth the money in my opinion, but I don't know what your pocket's looking like, so you might not feel like it's worth it for you. That's the choice you have to make. I'm definitely going to play with this. I definitely want to upload a look using the purples. I decided that this look, I'm going to make it a little bit more wearable. I've been seeing a lot of looks that have all like the purples and stuff, and yes, they're beautiful, but most people, 90% of the people in this world is not going to walk around with a purple eyeshadow look. You're not going to wear purple eyeshadow look to work. You're not going to wear, you're just not going to do it. And that's just the world we live in. I don't see a personal problem with it. But most people is not going to show up to work on Monday at 9 a.m. with a purple smoky eye and purple shimmers and all that. That's not the case. A lot of people are going to do a more wearable look like me. So I definitely want to try out some of these browns and kind of give it that pop of gold with that rose gold in the middle. Something that someone would wear. Maybe on a Monday or on a Tuesday and go to work if you work in the office. So that's why I wanted to kind of do this kind of look, because I haven't seen too many of these kind of looks. But I definitely think the next look I use with this is going to be a little bit more fun and play with some of these fun colors that are in this palette. So thank you so much for watching my video. I truly appreciate it, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I mean, you're already watching my video. It takes 2 seconds, not 1 but 2, to hit that subscribe button down at the bottom, and then please click the bell for notifications so you know when I upload. I would greatly appreciate the support. I'm a new channel and I'm trying to build my following and build my presence, and I would love for you to join my happy family. If you want to see more reviews of me reviewing palettes or doing eyeshadow looks, or just talking if you just want to hear me talk, hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much, and I can't wait to upload another video and hang out with you again. So bye.